Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest that you study each parameter of the company in detail. We will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company with you. RDDT Incorporated, ticker RDDT. This review is based on information as of August 12, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company RDDT Inc. belongs to the subcategory. The Internet, 58 companies are participating in the assessment. We will look at the order table at the end of this video. The overall score for the company in question is 0.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.4 points. If you look broadly, within the US market as a whole, note that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a score of 0.5 for the company RDDT Incorporated. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares RDDT Incorporated and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the stocks RDDT Incorporated showed a dynamics of 335.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 39%. Market capitalization of the company RDDT Incorporated valued at $41.31 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $11,132 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.67 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $1,088 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share RDDT Incorporated in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.371%. The book value is 0.154%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The financial liabilities of the company under analysis amount to $0.017 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 1% of the company's equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 191. The average in the subcategory is 30.1. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $216 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are projected to be $573 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 24.8. The average in the subcategory is 6.9. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,670 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $2,710 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 13%, with an average in the subcategory of 22.9%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.099%. This is 275% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $18,500 and $2,000. While for the subcategory, it is $4,900 and $22,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $96.9 thousand. The average for the subcategory is $163.6 thousand. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's revenue share per employee is $747,000. In the subcategory, $715,000. Evaluation of the volume of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions is 16.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 84% for the company Reddit Incorporated, whereas in the subcategory this level is 59%. The company's current stock valuation is approximately $221. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $200. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation information system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities Reddit Inc. Information System Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a sell trade at $220.75. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a rather poor rating and price movement. The organization's assessment is based on the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 135.39. Stop loss is set at 306.11. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the transaction is fixed automatically at the end of the trading session on September 11, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, IT, will become the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the opposite order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.